Is it possible to starve with diabetes? When a person is hungry, the glucose level drops. No food, no glucose. The threat of hypoglycemia increases sharply with the transition to a coma. In addition, if the patient has a supply of adipose tissue, the liver, trying to find an alternative to glucose, begins to break down adipose tissue into free fatty acids, acetic acid and acetone. With a sufficient level of insulin, fats are burned completely, and carbon dioxide and water are obtained at the output. With insulin deficiency, ketone bodies accumulate. This leads to acute ketoacidosis and can provoke a coma. To avoid ketoacidosis, you will inject insulin, and it will provoke hypoglycemia during fasting. To avoid a coma from hypoglycemia, you will eat sweets or you will be injected with glucose, and this is not starvation. In general, there is only one conclusion: there is no need to check how the intensive care unit works in your city. Ms. Bychkov was with you.